Becoming successful is a process. You're moving from downside to the upside, but it's not an easy road. There are bumps and holes, temptations and distractions, pressure and loneliness. While some days you'll get up completely pumped up for doing more and better, other days you'll feel just numb and void of any meaning. But those days when you don't want to act are actually the days when you have to. You know all those great people that you admire and see as examples of success, integrity, and happiness? They were not born like this. Success was not served to them as a main dish. They heard about it and they decided to go for it. They studied it and they understood the ups and downs that come along while trying to achieve it. They, too, woke up some days feeling overwhelmed and not in the mood. They, too, had doubts and second thoughts. We all have such days. But what you do in those low days counts more than what you do in any other day. Those moments when you want to stay in bed and binge watch Netflix. Those days when it feels better to blame the bad weather. Those times when you feel like it's too much for you to handle. Those are defining moments in your path towards becoming successful. It's when you're at your lowest point that you have to pick yourself up and continue. Go through the discomfort. Feel its pain. You'll get over it because you are strong enough, resilient enough, and determined enough. How bad do you want it? Answer this question and start from there. The difference between you and any great leader, CEO, entrepreneur, or successful business person is dedication. You want something so bad that you're willing to do whatever it takes to get it. You completely dedicate yourself to it. You dedicate your days and nights, every minute and every hour, every workday and every weekend, just to get closer to what you want. You shut off any external noise that tells you differently, because you are so focused on going on that road that leads you to the life you want. Nothing distracts you. Nothing makes you change your mind. You are fully committed to spending time and energy on becoming a master in your field. You have a fire burning within that ignores any low feeling that some of your days might start with. You want to become better, more successful, more content, and happier. If you do, then you're in for the ride of your life. Ups and downs, positive and negative, excited and bored. All of these things will happen to you. But the stronger your desire to succeed is, the easier it will be to go through them. Anything you want to get for yourself requires you to give something in exchange. Any dream you want to accomplish asks for your sacrifice. To become better means to break yourself into pieces so that you can reshape your system in a better form that is able to sustain that bigger and improved life that you want to achieve. So how bad do you want it?